small. Really small.
Oh man.
Woohoo! Catch of the day.
Crappie or bluegill?
Bluegill. Look at that monster. Eden. Hurry up. Come here. Reel us in. Easy, slow down.
It's the same little guy, isn't it?
I don't know. Looks like a little bit different one. Bring it over here to me.
It's a little bit smaller.
Yeah, look at that. Good job.
Very slimy.
See if I can get the hook out.
It like swallowed the hook. It's like inside of its stomach.
Eden. Hurry up.
I blew up one of those white flowers and it got stuck in the eye.
Reel it in.
Come on, fish.
You know what? I'm
It's
mad.
like the exact same one from earlier. That is.
Hey. You got any more rooster tails?
Yeah?
I caught a really, really big bass. And it got me right around a tree. And it let me go.
Huh. It's fine. I'll get this one. I'll get this one. It's fine. I'll catch more.
Okay, I didn't hear what you said. You were going.
This is a nice bluegill. Holy cow. Good grief, this thing's as big as my hand.
Big one.
Look at the size of that thing, Eden.
It's huge.
Gosh, I can't hardly get my hand around it. It's so big. That's a nice bluegill. Eden.
What?
Get it.
Band-aid's coming off.
Huh?
So crap, my band-aid's coming off.
Oh my goodness, look at this monster. Bring it here. Oh my gosh, it swallowed the hook. How'd you even get that hook in your mouth?
Come on.
Eden. Get it.
Is it big?
I don't It's that's one of those ones that I'm not sure what it is exactly. It's like a perch or something. It's got a big mouth.
And it's got weird stripes on the side of its mouth too.
But it looks like a bluegill.
Toss it out.
Pretty. Eden.
Yeah.
Get it?
No fish. I don't think so. That's the same one?
That's good. No, it's a different one. That's a pretty one, isn't it?
Yep.
Look at that. That's really pretty.
So it has a little bit gold on it.
Mm-hmm. Did you see it?
Yep.
Pretty fish.
I bought it. I'll find him. Another one?
You might as well just... No, I got a worm. You might as well stay over here for a few minutes.
Yeah, probably not went out there because it didn't probably see us. Oh.
Here we go, Eden. Here, come get it. Oh, this one's fighting pretty good.
It is. It's biting real hard. A decent size.
Bring it over here.
It's the same size as all
That's
the
a
other
pretty
ones.
good size one.
What kind of fish is that? A crappie?
That's a bluegill.
Bluegill? One time when we went on a boat with Steve and Grammy and went swimming and all that stuff, Karen was being chased by a bluegill.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That was about this one, not that big one.
Pretty little bluegill.
That fish is gone.
Here we go. Ready? There you go. Get it. Little one.
It was exactly like the one we got earlier.
Uh-huh.
They eat some of your worm.
Nope. Cute little one. Eden. Eden.
Go, we can go.
I'm struggling.
Slow down. Take her down.
Oh, buddy. No, we're not going back in the water.
That's good. There you go.
This one.
Nice bluegill.
Not very big, but about that big. That tall, at least. That thick.
Nice
This
bluegill.
And that tall.
Here.
Roger, thermos.
Hold that for a minute. Reel it. Hurry. Reel it. Reel it. Reel it. Reel it.
Come on, fish.
There you go. That's a nice bluegill there. That's a really nice bluegill.
Takes a lot.
Man, look at that thing.
Touch it real quick. Slime.
That's a big one. Get about six. Get about 6 or 7 of them. We could have dinner. It's peeing on me. Look.
Ooh, turn your chair now.
Ooh.
You can't sit down now.
It's peeing on. Here, I'm gonna pee on you.
No. I'll make it pee back on you. Pee on, or I'll pee on you. That's nice. It's good on my eye.
We've done this before, but this one's a new boat.
I didn't time my line very good, though.
bass hat.
It's a nice one.
Just make a hat out of it and make it a bass hat.
Well, make sure you get it wrapped good before you put the line back through the thing.
I was self hooked up, but holy crap. I thought I was snagged.
You can look down this.
Jeez.
If you put your camera up to it, you can see the inside of it.
It's a nice one, Trey.
Pretty
Is that your
awesome.
biggest one?
I think so.
You can see
Definitely
the
the
inside
fattest
of
one,
it.
I'll tell you that. It double hooked itself on its lip.
Dumb fish.
Good job.
I was trying to go for some up here. There's a bunch right here in the thing getting a bunch of minnows, but I can't get this
Is
thing
that the one you
hooked.
were trying to get, or no?
I was trying to get any, really.
Oh, here. Do this. And then you take it and you hold it like this.
Yeah.
Now, just pull.
Pull?
No, yeah, just give it a good yank. Yank it.
Crap.
No.
Just one.
I got one of them, yeah. Then I just got one more left.
You'll rip the fish's lip off.
I've done
There
that
you go.
before, several times.
Does it hurt the fish?
Shoot, right by the bottom.
Sure it does. Can you take a picture? I don't got my phone.
And stick your thumb. I got a picture of it. Hold on. Let me get another one.
Look at that his mouth. Look at his gills, Eden.
I saw the gills.
This is the biggest bass I've ever held in my life.
Is it heavy?
Hold it up sideways.
Kinda. Oh. Go step on that.
Should I look down
Good
the
job.
inside of it? It's
That's all.
creepy.
Don't step on that.
That's a nice bass, Trey.
No, I haven't moved yet.
I thought I got snagged because there's a low spot right in the water there. I mean, not low, but it's got a lot of grass.
Yeah?
You got a net. You can let it dip.
There we go. There we go. It's a nice one. There we go. Nice one. Guess he likes that worm. Nice fish. Very nice fish. Keep trying that one. That worm worked pretty good.